Do you want a clutter-free home but you feel like you've tried everything? Here are 5 easy decluttering tips that actually work. Number 1, follow the 1 in and 1 out rule. Every single time you bring something new into your home, something must leave. Keeping a certain amount of inventory throughout your home will help keep things from getting cluttered and will even feel less overwhelming. When you have less things to manage, you have more time to do the things that you love. Next up, declutter one small area at a time. Decluttering just 10 to 15 minutes a day will keep your home forever clutter-free, because any new clutter that tries to creep up, you will be on top of it. Also, life does happen, so if you have to step out for a minute, you are not left with the entirety of your kitchen counters on top of your table. When you start with a small area at a time, it can feel like a huge win when it gets accomplished, and it is super duper practical as busy homemakers, because when something else arises, we can just hop to it without having to worry about leaving a mess behind. Doing one small area at a time every single day will lead to humongous results. Try it for just a week and you will see a huge difference. Let me know in the comments down below how it went for you, but I personally follow this method of decluttering 15 minutes a day, and before you couldn't even see my floors, so I'm telling you, this method super works. Another thing to do for a clutter-free home is to keep a donation box inside your closet for a quick purchase. Whenever you try something on and it doesn't fit anymore, or you just simply don't like it, you can go ahead and put it in that donation box, and the next time you go on your errand day, you can take that with you to the donation spot. No need to let it linger around in your closet. Having a place to put it right away prevents messes from piling up other places in your home. Will also keep it in a place where it will not overtake your home, but it's easily accessible. That will not be out of sight, out of mind, because every time you open your closet, you will see that donation box. It will help to motivate you to get rid of things that you might have been second guessing, because the box is right there. And if you're not using these items, might as well bless somebody else with it. Be sure to focus on high traffic areas first for maximum impact. Sometimes we just need a quick win, and that quick win might be the dining room table, the entryway table, or any other thing that catches your eye right away. That way, you will get your instant win and the home will feel so much more decluttered. Even this one small area can snowball into some decluttering motivation. So get to your most visible area, set a 10 to 15 minute timers, and you'll be shocked at how much you accomplish. Next way to keep your home clutter-free easily is to put away, not down. Every single time you touch something in your home, instead of placing it down on a counter, put it away where it belongs. Clutter begets clutter. So when you put things away right away, not only do you not have to deal with it later, but it will help clutter to not build out. But if you want even more decluttering tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.